Welcome back. You are on part 4 of section 7.2 now, where we are going to begin this with just a brief section, but a very important section for dividing rational expressions. I'm going to put 4 problems down here, so I'm going to ask you to just space them out on your paper because we are going to work these problems through. However, for the purpose of this lesson, we're just going to make a short video to demonstrate the first step in doing all of these questions, because a lot of students will neglect this step and think they can hold it off later until after they do the factoring. Only when they do the factoring they forget to do the necessary first step. So we're going to begin with the problems, first with question 45 or 47. X over 4 divided by 5 over x. 48. 5 over x divided by x over 12. 53. 4y minus 8 over y plus 2 divided by y minus 2 over y squared minus 4. And then finally, 59, negative 3 plus 3x divided by 16 divided by the quantity of x minus 1 over 5. We will solve these problems in their entirety in the next video, and I will further ask you to, when you are putting these in your notes at this time, please leave yourself plenty of space for these questions. Don't put them quite so close together because we will solve them in their entirety. But there is one step that is really critical to doing these questions correctly first. Just like when you were in middle school and you had to learn how to divide fractions, they always taught you to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply. So, the important word for this part of the lesson is reciprocal. And we take the reciprocal, or just simply flip the second fraction. So we're going to do that with all 4 examples here first. So when I flip this, I'm going to get x over 4 times x over 5. Next, here I'm going to get 5 over x times 12 over x. Here, I'm going to get, I'll write this below, 4y minus 8 over y plus 2 times y squared minus 4 over y minus 2. And then over here, I'm going to write this as negative 3 plus 3x over 16 times 5 over x minus 1. So when you are doing all this work, it is very important that as the first step, when you're doing a division problem with rational expressions, that you have to flip the second fraction. After you flip the second fraction, all the work that you will do forward is exactly the same work that we have done before. We'll continue these problems in the next video.